Okay, let's take a look at simplifying this expression. 1 over the square root of 1 minus the square root of 2. So what do we get out of this? We multiply by a form of the number 1, which is 1 plus the root of 2 over the root of 1 plus the root of 2. So I'm using this form because it's 1. And then second, there's a positive and a negative. Okay? Notice now both of these are under their root symbols. This is a root, right? And this here is a root also. So I can place them under one root. So I will have the root of 1 plus the root of 2 over the single large root that contains 1 minus the root of 2 times 1 plus the root of 2 this way. Now this is like a difference of squares pattern there. So I'll continue down here. It's going to be the root of 1 plus the root of 2 over the root of, well, it's 1 squared minus the quantity root 2 squared. Now, these will cancel here, and 1 squared is just 1, so we will end up with the root of 1 plus the root of 2 over the square root of 1 minus 2. Now, that's going to give us a negative number, so we'll have next the root of 1 plus the root of 2 over the root of negative 1. That's I, of course. So continuing, I will have the root of 1 plus the root of 2 over I. We don't need to leave I in the bottom. We want the complex number of the basic form a plus bi. So in other words, we want to identify easily, like what is a and what is b for that basic form. So I'll continue here. I'll multiply by I over I because that's 1. So I will have 1 plus the root of 2 over I times I over I. You can multiply by negative I over negative I. Makes no difference. Alright, so we'll have here I, and then the root of 1 plus the root of 2. On the bottom I have I squared. So we end up, because this is negative 1 in the bottom, with negative I quantity root 1 plus root 2. This is a complex number of the form a plus bi. It just happens that here there's no real parts. In other words, a is 0 and b is, well, you have to be careful with b because it's got to, let's say, include this sign here. And then this part right here, this root of 1 plus the root of 2. So it's negative root 1 plus the root of 2. If you like these types of videos, please be sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.